Hope everyone's doing well. This is Jay from J&D's Retirement Journey. Today, I'm going to go over the October dividend update. We have $75,443 invested in the securities that paid us dividends this month. Seems like a large number, but anyone could do it. We started with nothing. You just got to be consistent and dedicated. Every paycheck, you put some money into your 401k, IRA, whatever it is, your brokerage account, and before you know it, that money compounds and grows and you're going to have a ton of cash. If you find this content useful, please remember to hit that subscribe button and that thumbs up button. Thanks so much. Let's take a look at all the securities that paid me dividends this month. We go into Coca-Cola, symbol KO, $95.94, yield of 3.28. $11,732 invested. Global X QYLD 8454, 12.14%, 78.25 invested. Realty Income symbol O, $123, 6.23 yield, 24,912 invested. Gabelli Utility Trust Gut, $131, 10.29 yield, 15,460 invested. JP Morgan JEPQ, $40.88, 11.8 yield, 6,083 invested. The Bloomberg floating rate FLRN, $8.75, a yield of 4.84, 1,811 invested. iTreasury floating rate $7.46, 4.23 yield, 1,775 invested. Vanguard short-term treasury VGSH $5 dividend, 2.71 yield, 1,729 invested. The Vanguard total bond market BND $3.52, a little bit over 3% yield, 1,843 invested. Vanguard total market EFT VTI $7.98, a yield of 1.57, $1,445 invested. Vanguard developed market CFT VEA $8.68, 3.19 yield, $798 invested. The Spider portfolio developed world EFT SPDW $1.44, yield of 2.98, $30 invested. The average yield for the month was 5.53. The total dividends were $518.80. Year-to-date dividends, $10,123. Let's take a quick look to see what all these stocks are doing as of close of business Thursday, 10/26. Coca-Cola closed at 55.86. They're up 16%, 5 years. That's pretty good. Pays a dividend of 46 cents a quarter, 3.28% annual dividend yield. The analysts are liking it. They're saying buy it. S&P Global has a buy rating of 68. Argus has a buy rating of 73. As we shoot over to Global X QYLD, one I kind of regret buying. It hasn't been doing too hot here. Close of business Thursday was 1644. The quote, it's down. It says 31% over 5 years. Not too good at all. The yield, it's kind of a yield trap, I guess. It pays over 12%. And as we shoot over to the analysts, they're not liking it. At least Morningstar isn't. 3-year rating of 1 star, which is horrible. 2 stars and 3 stars. Let's see if it goes up down the road. I might unload that one. It's one of my favorite ones, even though I am losing money on this because it tanked with the issues with the interest rates. Realty Income symbol O, it's about at 50 now. 5-year chart not doing too good, down 17%. Pays 26 cents a month, which is great, and the yield is 6.23. The analysts are saying to to buy it. S&P Global, they have a 66 price target on it. As we shoot over to Gabelli, Gut, another one I'm not too happy with. The expense ratio is way too high. I started buying this years ago. Expense ratio is like 1.5, which is way too high. And it's not doing too great either. 5-year chart, it's down almost 3%. Pays a monthly dividend of 5 cents. And the yield is about 10%. And it's a 3 and 4 star rated fund, so it's not rated too bad. As we shoot over to JEPQ, JP Morgan's EFT here. It's the 5-year chart is down 8%. It's really been around for a little bit over a year. It's trading at close to $46. We shoot over to the dividend. It's about 41 cents. They pay monthly, and it's close to a 12% yield. Bloomberg floating rate. These are all bonds. FLRN closed at about almost 31, and it's basically flat over 5 years. It pays a monthly dividend of close to 5%, and it's a 3 and I guess 4 and 5 star rated fund, which is not bad. We go over to the iShares Treasury floating rate, another bond fund, almost at 51. Basically flat over 5 years. It pays a monthly dividend, and the yield is 4.23. And it's also a 3 and 4 star rated fund. We go over to Vanguard Short-Term Treasury. Trading about 60 and change. 5 years, it's down 3% and change. Pays a monthly dividend, 2.71, and it's a 4-star rated fund by Morningstar. As we shoot over to the Vanguard Total Bond Market, EFT-BND, it's almost at 69. It's down 11% over 5 years. It pays a monthly dividend of 3.04%, and it's a 3-star rated fund. The Vanguard Total Stock Market EFT VTI, it's trading at almost 205. It's up 46% over 5 years. Not too bad. It pays a quarterly dividend. Percent here is 1.57, and it's rated 3 stars by Morningstar. As we shoot over to Vanguard Developed Markets EFT VEA, it's trading at close to 42. Over 5 years is up almost 4%. Not too hot. As we look at the yield, it's 3.19. It pays quarterly. We shoot that over to the analyst, and it's rated 3 stars by Morningstar. We shoot over to the Spider Portfolio, SPDW. It's trading at close to 30. Over 5 years, it's about 4%. And it pays a semi-annual, 2.98%. And it's rated 3 and 4 stars by Morningstar. Hope you guys found this video interesting. Before you invest in anything, talk with your financial planner. Do your research. I am not a financial planner. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that thumbs up notification. Thanks so much for listening.